coaster with the Kobe steak in the toaster, waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlett J and then Natalie P. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I'll give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna feed my monkeys with it. They all hang out by the pool next to my backyard.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, today we're working on the Datsun, specifically the front end. Everything was looking pretty good on it so far while I was working on it, and then we ran into a couple of snags with some of the hardware and some missing pieces, but I'll get into that here in a second. I want to take a minute and give you guys a bit of an update on everything that's going on with the channel, with the builds and some of the stuff that we have going on, because we have a lot going on. It's been pretty busy lately. I know I haven't posted in a while, but we have definitely a lot of videos coming up. So I'm going to be honest, this video is going to be a bit of a mixed bag. I went down to LA, went to a couple of car shows down there, checked out a Dodger game, and I was going to put together a vlog video, but I forgot to turn on the microphone on the camera, so I just ended up with a bunch of just footage of me talking, but you can't really hear anything. So that video kind of fell through, but I'll share some of that footage with you guys here in a little bit. Anyway, first update is the Pontiac. I'm working on a Pontiac G8. It is a GXP, so it has the 6.2 liter LS3 in it. It is getting stroked out to a 418. It's been in the shop for a couple of months, and we ran into a couple snags with the parts being delivered to the wrong place, but we got the parts in, and then we got the block into a reputable shop, and of course, you know how that goes. The reputable shops are always the busy ones. So once that's done, I'll get you guys dyno numbers, all kinds of cool footage of it, definitely exhaust notes, see how it sounds. Second channel update, we're going to Formula Drift. That's going on this weekend in Seattle, Washington, Monroe, Washington, I think, to be specific. We're going to be up there. It's a 2-day event. So definitely make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification button so that you get notified when we drop the videos on that. Should be a pretty cool event. I've never been to a Formula Drift event, so I'm not entirely sure what to expect. After that's done on Friday and Saturday, we're going to head over to Seattle for the Weckfest show on Sunday. Is it Weckfest or Weekfest? I hear different things and I get different answers, so whichever one, Weekfest. So we'll be up there on Sunday, and we'll get some cool footage for you on that one as well. So that takes care of those two updates. Third update would be the Datsun itself, which is what we're working on today. Working on the front bumper and the front end. Like I said, things were going well, and then we ran into some problems, some snags. So I'll show you guys. So I'll share that with you guys right now. I'm sure you noticed there's really nothing down here. This is all empty, and as far as I can tell, it's not supposed to be that way. There should be a front balance right here that curves around all the way over here, but that's missing. Normally that really wouldn't be a big problem, except I was really hoping to mount the air dam and as you can see, there's really nothing. There's nothing to mount it to, really. I mean, it's just kind of funky. So that's so that was kind of a bummer when I saw that. But I did go online and start poking around, see if I can find Another one that was all beat up. Somebody was partying out. Found a couple of options, but they were either in really, really bad shape or people were just asking way too much money for it. So I'll keep looking around, and if I'm not able to get anything, then I'll probably just fabricate something, take a look at pictures online and put something together, and you know, it'll be custom. So I hope you enjoyed that footage. Ran into some problems, so my battery died. And I also ran out of time. I planned on working a little bit more on the Datsun, but I had to cut that short. I had to go to Seattle, which is where I am now. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. I gotta get breakfast, get some coffee, and head up to Monroe. The Formula Drift event starts at 11 o'clock. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.